Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you.
Hi my sunshines, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naledi Maila. For all those who don't know me, if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're returning sunshine, welcome back. And thank you so much for tuning in once again on another video with me. On today's video, I'm literally just freestyling this vlog. I don't have anything planned out besides that today I do have a few things that I'm planning to do, but for the rest of the week I'm not sure, because today is a Sunday and for the rest of the week of course it's work and school, so I don't really have much that I'm gonna get up to. But I just thought, you know what, because I'm doing a couple of things today, let me just start this vlog and see where it takes us. So today I did my makeup, I installed my hair. I'm on my way out. I'm going to shoot some content for Domestos. In my previous vlog, I attended an event where Domestos invited me because I'm part of the campaign of launching the new Domestos product. So they gave me, they didn't send me. They gave me the package when we left the event. And it's products that I'm going to use for this campaign. So I'm gonna go shoot this campaign, try to edit it tonight because I need to submit it tomorrow morning, on Monday for approval. Then I can be able to post. I think I'm supposed to be posting on Tuesday. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. And then once I'm done shooting the campaign, I'm going to pass by the shops just to buy some weekly food top ups and get beef. We're out of beef in the house. It's literally just chicken and fish in the freezer, and I feel like dumpling and beef today. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pass by the store, get those, top up a few groceries for the week, and then come back home to cook. I'm hoping to be back home at 4 o'clock or 4:30 latest. The time is quarter past 2, and I'm heading out now to go shoot content. I'm hoping to be back in the house latest 4:30 so I can start making dinner, my Sunday dinner. So yeah guys, let's do that, and I'll just catch up with you guys as the vlog goes on. All right, enjoy. Bye. Oh, let me show you guys my outfit of the day. Before I forget, let me show you guys my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this beautiful dress that I love so much. I used to wear it a lot during summer, so it's quite hot outside, as you guys can see, and I just thought, you know what, let me bring this girl out because I have missed her so much. And then I just have these black shades that I got from Mr. Price. Installed my hair's from Love Me Hair. And then I have these white slides that I got from Mr. Price as well. I'm gonna carry my tripod because I'm going to shoot content on my own, and then I have these products that I'm going to take with me from Domestos to shoot content. And yeah, let us go. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi my sunshines, I just got here. I'm gonna go in and then quickly shoot content and go back home because it's getting late. It's already 3:15, so I'm hoping to be done by exactly 4 o'clock so I can pass by the shops and get home by 4:30. So let's quickly do that and be on time.
Touch, let your hoes on, let you get a handful, baby, she's a whole lot of woman. Soft kisses on some fat lips. It's yours, baby, you can crash it on me. Cash out on a video, make 'em cash out to see the rodeo. Put on a show and make it nasty. Just a Chico in the backseat. Everything bigger than Texas. Big body busted open, feed you breakfast. Me in the bathroom on the same time. Baby, let me sink into your arms. Drink me till it's done. Eat it all. Keep you close and let you love me like a lady, yeah. Toast it over, it get creamy in the middle, yeah. My body in the box is yours. Sugar high, you gon' move so Said she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body bullies, one polite. Don't be in a humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna look tonight. Posing who is left or right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies as pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Slay where the love is high. I put that on my mama. Like a lady, yeah. Does it know it can grip me in the middle, yeah. I'm lying in the box, it's yours. Show that how you want some more. Dorero, 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 I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. Soft to the touch, let your hoes on. Let you get a handful, baby. She's a whole lot of woman. Soft kisses on some fat lips. It's yours, baby. You can crash it on me. Cash out on a video. Make 'em cash out to see the rodeo. Put on a show and make it nasty. Just a eagle in the backseat. Everything bigger in Texas. Big body busted open, feed you breakfast. Catch me in the bathroom.
Hi my sunshine, I am done shooting, so I'm just walking downstairs to go home. Well, I'm gonna pass by Spa to get some fruits for the week and beef, and then we're gonna cook. Hopefully I'm gonna cook with you guys. I'm hoping I'm not gonna be lazy to shoot, so you guys can see how I make my dumpling and beef stew. So yeah, let us go home. At least I got like very nice shots, so I'm going to also start editing the video so I can submit it tomorrow. So yeah, I hope it comes out just the way I'm hoping it will. Alright, bye guys.
Ecstasy. Ladies as pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Slay where the love is high. I put that on my mama. Like a lady, yeah. Does it know it can grip me in the middle, yeah. I'm lying in the box, it's yours. Show that how you want some more. Dorero, dorero,
Hi my beautiful sunshines. I just got back. I passed by Spa as you guys saw. I got some donuts. I didn't get like serious groceries. It's literally just fruit top-ups basically. I've got some black seedless grapes. Got pineapple and some more pineapple. This side I've got some strawberries. Got beef portugal, so I'm gonna make this tonight. Beef with rice, beef stew and rice. Got more grapes. I've got some pears. I've got some green beans. I've got golden star yeast. And then I've got 2 packets of nachos. Yeah, that's everything I got. I usually just put the pineapple here like this in the basket, and also just add on some nachos. This should be enough for a week or 2. And then the rest I'm going to pack them in the fridge. sunshines. Hi my beautiful sunshines, welcome back to the vlog. Oh, last night I was supposed to cook with you guys, but guess what, I didn't even cook. I went to buy takeaways and that's what I ate. I'm so sorry, it's a bit windy today. I don't understand why, but anyway, I am going to Spare to actually get some special that I just saw now on TikTok, and I felt like I need it now. I need the special now. I want it now. I can't even wait. So I called. We have the nearest Spare here by the complex, the shopping center, I mean. So I placed my order already over the call, and I'm just going there to pay and collect and coming back home and be a homebody. Honestly, I saw it on TikTok and I was craving for it. So yeah, that's what we are doing today. I'm literally doing nothing for the rest of this weekend. I've got no plans whatsoever. I've got nothing planned out basically, besides what I'm doing now. And then we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back and eat and just stay in bed. So yeah, let me talk to you guys when we come back home. This person parked so bad because now I can't even fit in the car back. Okay, let's try to squeeze. Yeah. Okay. There we go. All right. Let me talk to you guys when I come back. I still have a full tank. Yay. Okay, let's go to Spare and collect. Guys, I think I've been feeling a bit demotivated. Thank you. You know, okay, the robot is closed. I was saying I've been feeling a little bit, not even a little bit, I've been feeling so demotivated about YouTube, and I think you guys are tired of hearing me saying that actually, but it's the honest truth. And I've actually realized that when I'm feeling demotivated and I watch other YouTubers, like if I would watch Miss X or Koli's vlog or watch Sitati's vlog, you know, I get motivated again just looking at these other big YouTubers consistently putting out a video every week for their followers, for their subscribers. It just motivates me to actually, you know what, just get up. Just get up and work, because no one is coming to save you. No one is coming to give you subscribers for free. No one is coming to save you. So I've honestly just been feeling like, you know what, I need to work. Hence I'm vlogging today. I need to work, and I just need to put in the work and stop crying out here and telling you guys how demotivated I feel. Like, I literally just need to work. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm still feeling a bit demotivated, but at least it's not too bad. it's not too bad. We're getting there. It's honestly not that bad. It's not that bad, so please bear with me. I know I'm not as consistent as I used to be, but please do bear with me because I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best, and thank you so much to everyone who has been actually checking up on me each and every day, just making sure that I'm fine, and you know, just sending me messages to say that you guys miss me on the Red app. I really appreciate that, because I think also those messages also motivated me to actually come back. They motivated me to take my camera and vlog, because my people miss me, Sana. My people miss me. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. We're almost there. Just gonna turn here and get my food and go back home. Ngizogcina ngishayisa imoto zabantu. Which one? Okay. Incane naleyo bhuti. Ethi ngene lapha kungena umuntu. Ngingahluphi umuntu yabo. Yangibona ukuthi ngisaseyilena. And you want to squeeze me in between a lot of cars, sir? I'm gonna bump them. Okay, great. Let's quickly just go. Eh? Kilola ta fela dijo ke a boy.
Oh, yeah, very much.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you. Let's go. No, it's fine. Don't worry about that. Is that for me? It's not for me.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. Don't worry about the sweets. It's fine. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Isn't a pin in it? Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nisale kahle. Oh, guys. These guys, they helped me park, and I don't even have my handbag with me, so I didn't have like 10 rand to give them and whatever. Guess what they said? Mama ne e-wallet, right? Hey guys. So, but yeah, I sent them like 80 rand e-wallet. It was a total 40 rand. They said they wanna go buy a plate in Yamentloko. It's 35 rand Leo plate. So I was like, okay. So ngifakela e-wallet bandle kungcono akufani nalutho. So yeah, I got my spare order. Gonna get home, dish up and get in bed. I'm literally just a couch potato bandle these days. Get in bed and watch some Netflix. Oh, also, I didn't even tell you guys, I got a bedroom TV now. Well, it's not really, when I was buying it, it wasn't for my bedroom, but I'm currently using it for my bedroom. I am currently looking for an apartment that I'm gonna turn into Airbnb, so I'm just slowly buying furniture for that, and that's why I got the TV. It's gonna go to, the TV is for the new apartment that I'm trying to get, that I will use as an Airbnb. So I'm currently using it in my bedroom. In the meantime, I haven't set up the Airbnb, and it feels so nice. Like, it feels like I'm living in my answered prayers, having a TV in my bedroom. It feels so good. I don't understand why I never bought a TV for my bedroom in the first place, but it is what it is. Yeah, let's go home, guys. Let me stop yapping, and let's get home. Okay.
Soft to the touch, let your hose on. Let you get a handful, baby. She's a whole lot of woman. Soft kisses on some fat lips. That's yours, baby. You can crash it along with her. Cash out on a video. Make 'em cash out to see the rodeo. But on the show and make it nasty. Just a jiggle in the backseat. Everything bigger than Texas. Big body busted open, feed you breakfast. Catch me in the bathroom on the same time. Baby, let me sink into your arms. Drink me till it's done. Eat it up. Can get closer, let you love me like a lady, yeah. Toast it over and get creamy in the middle, yeah. Wanna bite in the box is yours. Sugar high, you gon' want some more. Say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fuck her right. Body room is one polite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm tryna go tonight. Pose it home, step to right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. I slay where the love is high. I put that on my mama. Because I just me like a lady, yeah. Just you know it, it get creamy in the middle, yeah. Wanna bite in the box is yours. Sugar high, you gon' want some more. Put it up, see it up. Put it up, see it up, see it up. Put it up, see it up. Put it up, see it up. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. Soft to the touch, let your hose on. Let you get a handful, baby. She's a whole lot of woman. Soft kisses on some fat lips. It's yours, baby. You can crash it along with her. Cash out on a video. Make 'em cash out to see the rodeo. But on the show and make it nasty. Just a jiggle in the backseat. Everything bigger than Texas. Big body busted open, feed you breakfast. Catch me in the bathroom on the same time. Baby, let me sink into your arms. Drink me till it's done. Eat it up. Can get closer, let you love me like a lady, yeah. Toast it over and get creamy in the middle, yeah. Wanna bite in the box is yours. Sugar high, you gon' want some more. Put it up, see it up. Put it up, see it up, see it up. Put it up, see it up. Put it up, see it up. When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body room is one polite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm tryna go tonight. Pose it home, step to right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. I slay where the love is.
Morning, my beautiful sunshines. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. I just got ready to go to church. I haven't been to church in so long, so today we're actually going to church, and I'm quite late actually. It's already 9 o'clock and church starts. I'm going to attend the service that starts now at 9 o'clock. So let me just quickly show you guys what am I wearing, and then we're gonna get going. should I go back, or okay, let me just show you from the mirror. So let me take off this phone. All right. Yeah, I feel like I've gained so much weight, Sana. All right, I am wearing this hair from Dragon City. I got it a while back from Dragon City, and then I'm wearing this dress that I got from Shein, and then just some slides that I got from Mr. Price, and then I'm gonna be carrying this gold handbag that I got from Shein. So yeah, this is just my simple outfit of the day. I'm not gonna be doing too much or whatever, but yeah, let us go to church. After church, I'm going to do a few grocery top-ups. I think I'm just going to buy fruits and water. I don't think I have water. Well, there's just like a little bit left, so I'm going to top up water as well. And then I also want to go install my hair later on, but I'll see if I actually do that. But definitely topping up groceries, that's one thing we're going to do after church. So yeah, let us go to church, and I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog. I love you so much, and please don't skip my ads. Bye.
Touch, let your hoes on, let you get a handful, baby, she's a whole lot of woman. Soft kisses on some fat lips. It's yours, baby, you can crash it on me. Cash out on a video, make 'em cash out to see the rodeo. But on the show, I'm making nasty. Just a Chico in the backseat. Everything bigger in Texas. Big body busted open, feed you breakfast. Me in the bathroom on the same time. Baby, let me sink into your arms. Drink me till it's done. Eat it all. Keep you close and let you love me like a lady, yeah. Toast it over and get creamy in the middle, yeah. When I'm buying in the box is yours. Sugar high, you gon' want some more. Put it up, see it up. Put it up, see it up. Yes, on me.
In your comfort space, but we're on a man that you on a man that you don't need any. How was we to follow next? Yes, baby. This is we are vessels of God's power. Sing umlomo, a man that you.
Hi, Miss Sunshines. Church was so great, but I think there's like an occasion going on because it is 20 minutes to 12 and it's still not out, so I'm quite hungry. I've decided I'm gonna go because usually church would be out at 11 o'clock, so I don't know what's going on, but honestly I'm hungry. So let's go to, I'm gonna go to either Woolworths or Spar or Pick n Pay to get some grocery top up. Okay, so yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when we get home. Let us go do some top up of the weekly groceries and then hopefully go install my hair because I have some content to shoot that I need to submit tomorrow. So yeah, let's do that.
said she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body from this polite. Don't be in a humble type. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm tryna go tonight. I was like, left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies as pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. It's like where the love is like. I put that on my mama. I just been like a lady, yeah. Does they know it can grip me in the middle, yeah. I'm lying in the box is yours. Show that I you want some more. Put it up, see it all. Put it up, see it all, see it all. See it all. Put it up, see it all. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look like
Insert na?
Tingnan niyo doon yung packet. And then, chips.
Thank you. Shop like it before I leave and it declines. Thank you.
Yeah?
We are done at Spa and I just passed by Builder's Warehouse. They have, you see that hot dog caravan that's at every macro? This Builder's next to my house, they actually have that. So I came to get a boerewors roll with lots of onion. Tastes too good. Okay, I'm gonna go home, unpack the groceries, and then go install my hair. Alright, we'll finish off this. Control. Let us go home. Hey guys, I just got home. Just want to quickly drop off my groceries and then go do my hair. Guys, can you believe I'm only finishing now? Like, I'm so annoyed. Look at the time. Look at the time. 5:30. I got here at what time? I think like 1 o'clock. Like, I'm so pissed. I don't want to lie. I just want to get home and have something to eat because I'm starving. and annoyed. Let's go home. Hi, my beautiful sunshines. My mood is just a little bit better than when I left the salon. I've actually been home for quite some time. I was editing this vlog and I realized that I actually don't have an outro, or I didn't even say proper goodbyes to you guys. So that's why I had to pick up the camera again and actually speak to you guys and say my goodbyes. I'm not so happy with how they installed my hair, honestly. Like, the lace is showing. The lace, that's why I even have this thing, just so I can try to like lay it down. At least maybe tomorrow when I wake up it will be better. I'm trying to melt it down. And mind you, this is a whole HD lace, guys. Like, usually when I install this hair, it will be so melted, you wouldn't even see my lace. But today I feel like I wasted my time, but I mean my money, actually even my time. I feel like I wasted my time and my money. But you know what? It is what it is. It looks like an install that I did myself. You get what I mean? Like, what's the whole point of me going to the salon if I'm not going to get that nice and seamless lace look, especially when my lace is an HD lace. It's not just a normal lace, you know? But anyway, I'm done editing this vlog, so I basically just came on here. Oh, my hand is getting tired already. I basically just came on here to say my goodbyes. I'm closing off this vlog here. I've already done editing it, so once I'm done with this part, I'm also just going to edit on the vlog and then let it download, then upload it on YouTube and schedule it for the weekend. And then tomorrow we are starting a new vlog. Clock it. Consistency. I'm such a joke. Honestly speaking, I'm such a joke. With just 2 lousy vlogs, I'm already labeling myself as consistent. But anyway, we are manifesting it. Tomorrow we are starting a new vlog and I'm hoping it's going to go smooth as well. And then yeah, I'm trying to be as consistent as possible. But anyway, thank you so much for watching until this far. I hope you guys did not skip my ads. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share with your family members to subscribe, because we are still on the way to 10,000 subscribers. Can't wait for the day where I celebrate 10,000 of you guys, 10,000 of my sunshines on this channel. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so amazing. Of course, I'm not gonna do anything big, but just to celebrate, you know, within myself, within my system, to say, guys, yo, I've been singing 10,000 sunshines for the whole time. But yeah, it's gonna come. The time will come where it'll happen for us. So yeah, thank you so much for watching until this far. I love you guys so much. I will definitely see you on my next vlog. Bye.